Welcome, and let us solve for x and y. So you have x and 2y, then you have 2x, 3y times that matrix is equal to 5 and 12. So the first thing is just to simplify the left-hand side by multiplying the two matrices. So you have x times 1, which is just x, plus 2y times 2, which is just 4y. Then again you have 2x times 1, which is just 2x, plus 3y times 2, which is just 6y. So that is what you have for the product on the left hand side. So that's equal to 5, 12. So now you can separate these as two different equations that you can solve simultaneously. So we have x plus 4y being equal to 5. You just equate corresponding terms in each matrix on either side of this equation. So we have 2x plus 6y being equal to 12. So we can name these equations. We can call this equation 1, and then we call this equation 2. So we have two simultaneous equations which we can solve using any of the methods. So let us use substitution method to solve these two equations. So we can say that from equation 1, we can take 4y to the other side so that we have x is equal to 5 minus 4y. Then we can substitute these in equation 2. So wherever there is x, we put 5 minus 4y. So we want to have 2x, that is 2 into 5 minus 4y, plus 6y equals 12. So we open up this bracket, so we have 10 minus 8y plus 6y equals 12. So we can collect like terms. So you have minus 8y plus 6y, which is minus 2y. And then you have 12 minus 10, that is 2. So we divide both sides by negative 2, so that we have the value of y as negative 1. So you can get x from an expression that we had initially. We said that x is equal to 5 minus 4y. So take 5, then you minus 4 into y, and y is negative 1. So that is the same as 5 plus 4, which is 9. So we have the two values of x and y. So x is equal to 9, while y is equal to negative 1. So we can do a check for these two solutions to see if whatever we have is what is required. So remember, the equation was x. The equation from the matrix was x, and then we had 2y, then 2x, 3y. So we have x, 2y, 2x, 3y. So that is what we have on the left hand side. That is 1, 2, and this is supposed to be equal to 5, 12. So let us see if our substitution of these two values will hold the equality. So let us do that. So x is 9, so we have 9. 2y, so that is 2 times negative 1, that is minus 2. Then 2x, that is 18. Then 3y, that is minus 3. So let us see if we multiply these by 1, 2, if we can get 5, 12. So let us multiply what we have on the left hand side of this equation. So 9 times 1 is 9, plus negative 2 times 2, that is minus 4. Then 18 times 1 is 18, plus negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. So let us see if this will be equal to 5, 12. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and 18 minus 6 is 12. So as you can see, the equation is true. So it means our values for x and y are true.